The next project is Academics for Climate Community Lecture Series at the University of Regina.
Tansei, Tanshe, bonjour, hello everyone. Chimigwich, Marcy for the teachings and the prayers and the address and the support. Elder Lorna Standing Ready and Your Honor Russ Marasti. Thank you so much to RCE Saskatchewan for recognizing the Academics for Climate Lecture Series with an Education for Sustainable Development Recognition Award. It is so wonderful to have the work of everyone involved in the project recognized. I'm just going to take a moment to address this. I'm addressing the microphone. The Academics for Climate Community Series, Towards a Better Understanding of Climate Change in Saskatchewan, was a 9-part lecture series held January through March 2020. The series was created by Britt Hall in biology, Dr. Sean Tucker from business administration, and myself, Dr. Sarah Abbott, in film at the University of Regina. We created the group Academics for Climate, the lecture series as a way for academic knowledge on climate and sustainability to be shared with Regina citizens and to increase public understanding of climate change and its range of local and global impacts. Each lecture was filmed and posted on the Academics for Climate YouTube channel to provide educational resources for public and academic audiences. To date, there is a combined total of about 1,600 views. I hope you'll check them out. The 8 lectures by University of Regina faculty reflect the wide range of climate and sustainability expertise on our campus. Dr. Britt Hall presented on evidence supporting human-induced climate change. Dr. David Sachin discussed impressions and realities of climate change in Saskatchewan. Dr. Carrie Finley looked at adaptation and mitigation of prairie water ecosystems in a changing climate. Dr. Margot Hurlbert, lead author on one of the 6th IPCC reports, shared science-based climate change findings and potential scenarios collected by the IPCC. Dr. Gordon Pennycook shared his research findings on fake news, political ideology, and climate change. Dr. Emily Eaton looked at how Regina's renewable city motion can benefit diverse communities. Michelle Brass presented on land-based Indigenous-led responses as crucial to addressing impacts of climate change. Dr. Janice Dale shared the history and potential of the University of Regina's geothermal project. The 9th lecture was by Dr. Mark Jackard from the University of British Columbia. He discussed his new book, Emergency, the Citizen's Guide to Climate Action. The AFC was supported by 15 University of Regina faculties and departments, the U of R Vice President Research Discretionary Fund, the Johnson Shoyama Graduate School of Public Policy at the University of Saskatchewan, and Now What? The Art of Being Fully Human in a Time of Crisis Online Global Community. So I just want to say a big thanks for recognizing all this great climate and sustainability work with this award, and also big thanks to RCE Saskatchewan Events Award Team, the RSM, the sponsors, the many 26 2022 award recipients, and all you audience members for your time, efforts, and actions toward awareness, protection, and healing of our planet and all beings who live there and here. Miigwech.